Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove scratches from school white shoes. First, let's get those shoes ready. Begin by taking a damp cloth and gently wiping down the entire surface of your white shoes. This step is crucial for removing any loose dirt or grime that could interfere with the scratch removal process. Once clean, carefully examine the scratches to understand their depth and severity. This assessment will guide you in choosing the most effective method for restoration. For those lighter, more superficial scratches, a few simple household items can work wonders. Grab a clean white eraser and gently rub it over the scuffed areas. You'll be surprised at how effective this can be. Alternatively, a small dab about the size of a pea of non-gel white toothpaste on a soft cloth can be buffed into the scratch. For slightly more persistent marks, a magic eraser, used with very light pressure, often does the trick. When facing deeper scratches, a more targeted approach is necessary. You'll want to use a white shoe polish or a specialized white leather or canvas paint. Apply a very small amount, perhaps a drop or two, directly onto the scratch using a fine-tipped brush or a cotton swab. This allows for precise coverage without over-applying. Let it dry thoroughly, which usually takes about 30 minutes, and then assess if a second, equally thin coat is required for full coverage. Once the scratches are addressed, it's time for the finishing touches and some preventative care. Take a clean, dry cloth and gently buff the entire shoe to ensure all products are blended seamlessly and the surface is smooth. To help keep those shoes looking pristine, consider applying a protective spray designed for white footwear. This adds a barrier against future scuffs and stains. Finally, store your shoes in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight to maintain their bright white appearance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.